Good evening everyone. Today we are here to demonstrate our graphic and multimedia presentation is about file format. Let's go into the presentation. What is an image file format? Image file formats are a standard way of organizing and storing of image files. Image files are composed either pixel or vector data. The pixels that compose an image are ordered as a grid, columns and rows. Each pixel consists of numbers representing magnitudes of brightness and color. Image file size. This is expressed as number of bytes. This value depends on two factors: number of pixels on the screen, bit depth, number of bits allocated for a pixel. Large number of rows and columns increase the resolution and it leads to larger the file size. Image file compression. Image file compression is a term used to describe ways of cutting the size of the file. Why need image compression? Image files typically are larger than text files. Web pages often contain many images that are transmitted across connections that can be slow. Image files can be quite large, and a larger file type means more disk usage and slower downloads. Therefore, it is helpful to have a way to represent image in a compact format. Type of image file compression. There are two types of compression algorithms. Number 1, lossless compression. Number 2, lossy compression. Lossless compression algorithms reduce file without losing image quality, though they are not compressed into as small file as a lossy compression file. When image quality is valued above file size, lossless algorithms are typically chosen because it lets you recreate the original file exactly. All lossless compression is based on the idea of breaking a file into a smaller form for transmission storage and then putting it back together on the other end so it can be used again. Lossy compression. These algorithms take advantage of the internet limitation of the human eye and discard invisible information. Most lossy compression algorithms allow for variable quality levels, and as these levels are increased, file size is reduced. At the highest compression levels, image deterioration becomes noticeable and compression artificial. Lossy compression works very differently. These programs simply eliminate unnecessary bits of information, tailoring the file so that is smaller. This type of compression is used a lot for reducing the file size of bitmap pictures, which tend to be fairly bulky. Lossy compression example. If there is an image where whole sky is blue, most of the individual pixels are little bit different. To make this picture smaller without compression the resolution, you have to change the color value for certain pixels. If the picture had a lot of blue sky, the program would pick one color of blue that could be used for every pixel. Then the program rewrite the file so that the value for every sky pixel refers back to the information. With lossy compression, you can't get the original file back after it has been compressed. BMP bitmap file format uses only the bitmap graphics in Windows platform only. Compression of bitmap file is not supported since very large file size. The main advantage is their wide acceptance, simplicity and uses in the Windows programs. Uses.bmp extension at the end. Uses of BMP used for Microsoft's Paint program, suitable for background images and wallpapers. This is especially true for screenshots. Images from scanners are usually stored in BMP files. Next one, JPEG, Joint Photographic Expert Group. One of the most popular format for web graphics use lossy data compression technique. Support for 24-bit color information. Produce relatively small file size when saving. Use .jpeg extension at the end. When view the image again, the JPEG process plugs the factors back into the formula and generates the pixels that best represent the original image. Uses of JPEG. Most common in photographs and continuous tone bitmap images. All digital cameras have this option. Used as the image compression algorithm in many Adobe PDF files. Ideal for web page and emailing of photos. Next one, GIF, Graphics Interchange Format. One of the most popular file formats for web graphics and for exchanging graphics file between computers. Support for 8-bit of color information or less. This makes GIF format suitable for storing graphics with relatively few colors, such as simple diagrams, shapes and cartoon style images. When saving, use GIF extension at the end. Uses of GIF. Supports for animation and is still widely used to provide image animation effects. Used for web graphics and exchanging graphics file between computers. Next one, PNG, Portable Network Graphics. Similar to GIF, lossless data compression technique. PNG supports for true color, where GIF supports only for 256 colors. Platform independent. Should be used for single image, not for animation. Use .png extension. Uses of PNG. The lossless PNG format is best suited for editing images. Next one is TIFF, Tag Interchange File Format. Tag-based format and used for bitmap images. Platform independent. Compatible with wide range of software applications. This format is complex, so file larger than GIF or JPEG. Support for lossless compression. Uses of TIFF, widely accepted as a photograph file standard in the printing industry. Next one, EPS, Encapsulated PostScript, is a meta file format. Can use for vector image or bitmap images. Can be used in various of platforms. This format contains PostScript output device. Use .eps extension. Next one, PSCT, Picture File Format, used for primarily on Macintosh platform. Most commonly used for bitmap images. Lossless format, therefore files are very large. Use .pct extension. Uses of PSCT, used in video editing, animation, desktop computer presentations and multimedia authoring. Thank you for watching my video.